So I drove here today before sunset because all of the snakes that we saw on the other day. But here is the thing, it was too hot. I could not even step out. Even if it was at 7 o'clock, it was too hot. So I drove all the way here and then gonna try this and probably take one loop and come back to the car and then go back home in the car. That's the plan. I don't know what could be the best way to do this. Now, I'm recording this with my DJI gimbal. I don't have a GoPro because I am not into any that much adventurous activities. I think I'm going to pick some. Oh my god, this is all not good. Let me try this today and probably I just have to scan. Oh god. Okay, let me put this on stand. All right. I'm not super excited, but I just want to show you how it feels like, much closer to the feel that you get when you ride this scooter or whatever you call it. You can go up to 15 miles per, actually 20. So here is the app that you have to, it's all self-explanatory, but then I could not capture it because you see this has a brake and then this is the throttle. You just push this and move forward, right? So I have to hold both of this to get balance. I cannot just go in one hand, especially when there is a tight turn. Look at the wheels and how flexible they are. Like it does not turn right away. And you just have to step in this one, like you have to keep your legs one behind the other. Okay, so those are the things. Okay, here is the thing. All I have to do is just go here, scan that. Come on, scan it. Oh, it's all started right now. Okay, so it started. There is no point in just wasting time. All right, so that got started. Make sure that your battery is all charged. Okay, so I just have to well, actually let me release the stand before I forget. They have lights glowing on in the front. If I want to show you the lights, okay, so the lights glows so that people behind you know that you are just going there. All the reflectors work. Now I'm going to put this in my pocket. Hopefully, let's see how this turns out. Okay, let's go here. I just started my ride. Hello. Okay, so it's a quick turn. I'm just balancing out with my one leg on it. I'm just okay, so there is a heavy wind. I'm not sure how much it's going to pick from the microphone, but I'm just keep talking. Okay, so let's get into the bridge. I know there are cars coming. I'll be careful. I'll be careful. So I saw both sides and there are not any cars. So I'm just crossing it here. Okay. So it's not that I'm not careful. I know I'm not wearing helmet, right? So it's okay. So there was like a, oh, okay. I just have to stop here because you know why? This gimbal turned a little bit. So there was another person coming. Hello. Alright, so I didn't like the way that the gimbal turns away. Kind of looks so pathetic. Okay, so I'm not at all happy because I just have to keep it close and my pocket is so loose so that the gimbal is not so straight here. So let me take a pause here and then straighten it a bit. Okay, so okay, all right, so I'm just gonna tighten it with the button on my head. There is a button that I have. Okay, so oh god, it's too hard to Return the button. So okay, so this is all messed up right now. Hopefully this gets better. All right, so let's go. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. So I'm at 12 miles per hour, and I'm careful about the pedestrians. I'm just paying attention to them. I just gave a little bit of warning with this ticking symbol, right? So at any point of time I could also press the brake. So here is a little bump. Hopefully I think I got better at it because I'm wearing my I just use the button in my pocket to capture this. So there is a little bump here. You may not be able to see because of the way it is all aligned. Okay, so I just have to be careful there. And then so we are gonna end the ride here. Oh God, look at that small bump, right? It is all so difficult for me. So let me take a break here because I cannot see much here, so I just have to be really careful because all of a sudden I cannot pick up speed here. Okay, so I'm good here. So that's one place I have to be really careful. So I'm just gonna stop here, and this is my third day. Maybe I'll just take a small round here. Okay, so again it got messed up. Again it's focusing somewhere. I'm not happy about that. So okay. Oh God. How? Alright, so if you want to take a quick turn, you have to keep your center of gravity. I'm not going to talk too much on that, but then you will know that once you start riding the bike low. So let me park it here. I'll park it in the opposite way so people know this is a used bike and has a less battery on it. Alright, so we are almost done with this. I'm going to end this. It's almost 10 minutes. Alright, the way you end this ride, don't forget, this is how you have to do it. So, ended the ride, take a picture of this right there. Okay, so are you able to, hopefully you'll be able to see my phone. Okay. So I ended my ride, and let's view the receipt. So today is $3, $1 for starting, and 40 cents per minute. All right, so that's nice. All right, let me stop here.